Hello students, today I am going to show you the solution of question number 14. This is long answer type question from the book SN De multiple angle. Let me explain. In the question they have given a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to c and a cosec theta plus b sec theta equal to c. Then prove that sin 2 theta equal to 2ab by c square minus a square minus b square. So what to do? First I will assign these two equations, a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to c. This equation I will assign by equation 1, and a cosec theta plus b sec theta I will assign this equation by equation number 2. Now what to do? First we will multiply these two equations. Multiplying equation 1 and 2, then we get, so now first a sin theta plus b cos theta into a cosec theta plus b sec theta equal to c into c, that is c square. Now next what to do? We need to multiply. We will first multiply a sin theta with this expression. So a sin theta into a cosec theta, this is a square sin theta into cosec theta, plus a sin theta plus b sec theta, so ab sin theta sec theta into sec theta. Now we will multiply b cos theta with this expression. So first we will write plus sign and b cos theta into a cosec theta, so it becomes ab cosec theta into cos theta plus b cos theta, then we will multiply b cos theta with b sec theta, so plus b into b square and cos theta into sec theta equal to c square. We will write c square. Now next a square sin theta into cosec theta, sin theta into 1 by sin theta, as we know cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, plus ab sin theta into 1 by cos theta. So directly we can write sin theta by sec theta. So cos theta equal to sec theta equal to, we know, 1 by cos theta, plus ab cosec theta into cos theta. ab cosec theta equal to, we know, 1 by sin theta into cos theta, plus b square cos theta into sec theta, b square cos theta into 1 by cos theta, because we know sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta equal to c square. So formula here we will write cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta and sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Now next what to do? Now next step, sin theta will be cancelled and directly we can write a square plus ab sin theta by cos theta, ab sin theta by cos theta, plus ab cos theta by sin theta, ab cos theta by sin theta. Now cos theta will be cancelled and b square, we will get b square equal to c square. Now what to do? Now we will interchange the sides of plus a square and plus b square. So after interchanging sides, so it becomes minus a square and minus b square. I am showing you ab sin theta by cos theta plus ab cos theta by sin theta equal to c square. Interchanging plus b square becomes minus b square, and plus a square becomes minus a square. Now what to do? LCM, we need to do LCM. Okay, before that, what to do? Before that, we need to take AB as a common. First we will take AB common. Now after taking common, we will write cos theta into sin theta, their LCM. So cos theta into sin theta. Now what to do? So first we will divide this LCM by cos theta. So after dividing, we will get cos theta by sin theta, cos theta into sin theta divided by cos theta. So we will get sin theta. Here I am showing you cos theta into sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta will be cancelled and we will get sin theta. This sin theta will be multiplied with this sin theta. So next we will get sin square theta. Same thing we will apply with this expression. So here cos theta by sin theta is there. So first we will divide cos theta sin theta by sin theta. So after dividing, we will get sin theta gets cancelled and we will get cos theta, and cos theta into cos theta we will get here cos square theta equal to c square minus b square minus a square. Now next AB, sin square theta plus cos square theta, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by cos theta into sin theta equal to c square minus b square minus a square. Now next step, we will multiply to numerator as well as denominator. Then we will get 2ab by 2 cos theta into sin theta equal to c square minus b square minus a square. We will write c square minus b square minus a square we will write. So 2ab, 2 sin theta into cos theta, we know sin 2 theta equal to c square minus b square minus a square. Here we will write, since 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. So now we need to make this expression in this format. So now we need to find out the sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta we need to find out. So what to do? So we will just interchange the side. So as sin theta here in the left hand side in division format, while we will interchange side, so it becomes multiplication. Same thing we will do with this given expression. So 2ab by c square minus b square minus a square equal to sin 2 theta. So which is proved. Thank you, students.